Hey guys, this is Rick from Rick's Review. I have a truck bed drawer system I want to show you on this episode. But first, I want to make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me immensely. I appreciate it, and I'll see you here in just a sec. The other day, I was looking at possibly buying a truck bed drawer system from Decked. It's pre-made, it's plastic, it's got steel framing. It's actually really good from what I understand. I did a little bit of research on it and it looks really good. It ships to you for about 1,500 bucks. It's a little bit more than I wanted to spend. So I looked into making my own. So I kind of got some ideas from other people all around, and this is what I came up with. All right, so if you take a look at my truck bed right now, I bought some plywood and I started with the base. My stepson did really good at helping me out with most all of this. He has a table saw, which made it easier. Now you can do this with a circular saw, regular handheld circular saw, but he had a table saw, and I wanted to get it done in one day, in the morning. And he lives a town away, so I wanted to be able to get it done and then drive all the way back home. So we got this started. We got it going. He did a great job. We changed the plans a little bit as we were building. I was gonna start off with using casters or wheels, but then I found it wasn't any lighter with casters or wheels, and it actually created a bigger headache. So I decided to just make the drawers sit into it, just like it was right here. We built the frame, we built the drawers, and then of course we put the top on it. Okay, so I do a lot of driving in the sand, right? Whether I'm going out to Big Show, which is down south of Corpus, and I'm driving in the sand, or if I'm, say, driving on rocks or whatever the case may be, if I have a flat, if a tire gets punctured and I have a flat, I don't want to have to crawl underneath my truck to get the tire out. So I've been carrying the tire in the bed. But since I built this truck drawer system, I can't carry it in the bed because there's not enough room between my tonneau cover and the actual drawer system. So what I did was I actually cut it down. So I grabbed my sawzall and I started cutting, and I cut it down, and now I can fit my spare tire back there. Makes one drawer a little bit shorter, but it actually is really good because when I designed it with one drawer much wider than the other drawer. So it actually works well for me. I have the plans in my description, so if you want to download the plans so you can build it with the spare tire section like I have here, or without the spare tire section, you can go ahead and download those. If you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave them, and as soon as I can get to you, I will reply to you. But I appreciate you guys looking. Remember, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I can make more videos for you guys. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys later. If I can save you a few bucks, I will save you a few bucks.